common back problems that we experience? And out of those common back problems, how many of them are avoidable? I'm going to guess 100% right from the first minute.
You know, I think it's very difficult sometimes to maybe avoid. I think we've all experienced back pain. I think that, you know, a strain is a lot common to happen to any of us, and we don't know that because, or we may not be aware of it because of overuse or just a certain way that we, you know, even as small as picking up something from the floor, we may not use our proper body mechanics, you know, when we do that. And so it's very common for these things to happen to us, and to try to avoid them is just keeping in mind how to, you know, grasp certain things, you know, not overdoing it. And, you know, there's other things also, you know, Ed, that take into effect. One of those is our weight, you know.
We're a heavier nation now,
We are
and it
a
does
heavier
have an
nation.
effect on our joints, and the back is part of our musculature and part of our joint system.
Correct. And one more other inevitable thing is our aging. You know, the older we get, the more degeneration, you know, our vertebrae, our bones in our backs, you know, go through. And there's other things as well, you know. A lot of us, you know, although it has decreased in our nation, is smoking. You know, certain conditions or diseases such as diabetes and heart disease, it all takes into effect.